Hi friends, welcome back to another Excel video tutorial. This video will show you how to copy formulas in Excel. To start, open up the Excel worksheet you want to work on. So in this video, I'll be showing you two ways to copy formula. The first is to copy the formula by dragging. So let's say we want to copy the formula in F2. This is the formula above. Let's say we want to copy it across all through the other formulas. So the first thing to do is to place your cursor at the bottom right hand corner of the cell. Then you double click and drag all through the other cells, and you can see that it has displayed the answer for the cell. Now, the second method to copy formulas is to left double click on the cell. Now let's do it. You place your cursor on the cell displaying the first result. Then you place it at the bottom right hand corner of the cell. Then you left double click, and automatically the formula appears all around the table and you can get the results. So guys, that is how you copy a formula in Excel. Make sure to give it a try on any of the methods you prefer. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you soon. Bye.